when I get stressed. All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Wittick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today we are not working on the TT, even though I did drive that thing, and she threw another belt. I don't want to talk about it. But today we are going to be working on the tilted TDI. Now, as you guys know, this fender got destroyed when I snapped the control arm. You hate to hear it. And here she is. Dent here, dent there, big fold here, basically destroyed. Now, guys, we're gonna be fixing this thing. We're gonna be mounting the back of the car because I am not putting a new fender on this car until we fully rewrap this car. So we gotta make do with what we got. So let's get this thing working. Also, guys, don't forget, we're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway. ecstuning is gonna be helping us out with that. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit your post notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos and you guys do not miss out. Follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI. And when you're done with all the steps, comment done down below. And if you've already done all that, like I always say, you guys are awesome. And to all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And let's get this fender looking right on this car while we wait for parts to come in so we can finally start driving this thing and let's start unfolding and unbending stuff. So as I pick up this fender and bring it out to the backyard so we can start working on it on a nice soft surface like the grass, we can hit it with the hammer, whatever we need to do. If you guys are looking to make your car awesome, sick, fun, and ready to hit the streets, honestly, and you don't know where to buy your car parts from, definitely hit the link in my description for ecstuning.com. I get a kickback from every single purchase, and if you guys are gonna be needing car parts anyway, you may as well hit the link in my description and like, subscribe, and follow. So let's go bend this out and get it looking right. So guys, midway through today, we're actually heading to the skate park. We're gonna go see some friends. We're gonna go see my buddy Kevin. So we're gonna do some BMX stuff. I hope you guys enjoy that. But first, we are gonna be unbending this fender, and hopefully we can unbend it before we head to the skate park. But either way, you guys are gonna love this content. So stick with me and let's get this thing looking right. Now, as you guys know, I do thrash the tilt TDI and I drive it like a static car. So I've got some folds and some bends in the fender for now before I get the new one. It's really not a big deal, and I'm actually pretty excited to see what I could do on this thing. But I do want to point and highlight out the main parts that are really destroyed on this fender. Now, one, the bottom mount, this piece right here is supposed to be completely folded backwards and twisted this way. So this is just basically like a snapped ankle, not looking right. Then right here creased in because over here completely folded in. As you guys know, this is where it meets the front bumper, and it's supposed to be pointing down like this. So that's completely folded back. Top is straight, but as you guys can see, this whole area is just completely annihilated. Mr. Hammer is gonna be going to work. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm not even gonna time lapse it. I'm gonna show you guys some real bangs, and we're gonna get the thing looking right. I'm too excited to go see my friends and ride BMX, so hopefully you guys enjoy those clips too, but let's get right into this. I'm gonna go grab some hammers and you guys are gonna enjoy. Also, if we can get 500 likes on this video, I will hit this fender when it's done 500 times, but still mount it onto the car, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. But yeah, I'll smash this fender 500 times with the hammer, which is gonna take me a long time if we can get 500 likes, so make sure you guys like the video. So I brought the fender over into the shade. I've got it on a rubber mat so we can really put this thing to work and not destroy the wrap, because you know the wrap's still good, so I got my mallet, a piece of wood, this right here, and I got the hammer inside the garage. I was just using it. I was working on the Mark V. I was figuring out some stuff for that new Heim joint repair, and I got it all figured out. So I'm gonna go grab that hammer and we're gonna smash this thing. We gotta flip it over. Get this big crease right here. I'll probably be able to get that out with my foot. This right here, we'll see. So, yeah, this fender's mint. First things first, for this crease right here, looking good. This is where we pull out the big dog right here. Oh, I grabbed the wrap on the outside. What an idiot. Look at this. This thing is looking mint. Are you seeing these lines? Now I just want to point out the fact that this is going way better than I thought it would. The wrap honestly wouldn't have been messed up on me with my my channel, my vice grips. I don't know why I grabbed onto the wrap and I actually kind of ripped the wrap a little bit, but I mean, this thing is coming out mint. If it wasn't for that little tear right there, you guys wouldn't even know. I mean, what's a Stans car without a few dents? But I'm revitalizing this thing. It was like a 9.5 before it got crashed. Then it was a 2, and now it's like a 7.5. It's literally a 7.5, but I'm not gonna let this go. We're just making this look good, so let's get into trying to straighten the bottom bracket and more hammering, more twisting, and more bending. This is no good. Right here is on like a 60-degree angle. This is the worst bend out of all of them. Oh, no. So now that it's bent out, you guys can see where the tire was rubbing because it was forced all the way back and basically into the firewall where it had destroyed the mount down here. And it was just digging into this fender, so it ate through the wrap and all that stuff. But this crease was so heavy it followed through here, so I just flattened it out. And it doesn't look the best, but this guy right here, he's supposed to be completely flipped back and like horizontal, so it's like got a mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and hammer that. It's all crinkled and stuff, but guys, you know me. I restore everything back to show quality. I gotta flatten this out real quick. So the mount's not flat, and it's not a mount at all. Now, this is all flattened out. And I gotta do a U-E with this bad boy. So, here, bust a fat U-E. This is looking meaty. Would you look at that? It's like a brand new Fender. About to mount it back onto the car, but I realize it has this crease right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and doctor that thing up just with a few hits. Got this piece of plastic in the way, so let's hit it with the mallet. I want you guys to remember one thing that is for sure is always snack on the job. I don't care who you are. If it is warm, it is cold. Warm ice cream, cold hot chocolate, but snack and work. It's the way you gotta do it. All right, so I've run into a little bit of trouble with the fender mount. You know, when I get stressed, I like to have my ice cream. But the way that this is mounting up in here is really giving me some concerns. I don't really know how it's all bent up. So I think for now, I'm gonna go ahead and go online and try to look up the way the brackets work. But I really don't want to unmount the fender today because we're about to go ride bikes. And the fender looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to take it off for some rust issues anyway. We have some rust issues on the firewall. And as you guys can see in here, we got some rust issues and I don't want the fender off from when we're gonna be repairing that. So I'm gonna worry about that fender and bumper mount for a later date. But this fender turned out really well. So I'm gonna give Kevin a call, see what's going on, and we're gonna head on over to the skate park. Got the Mark 6 all loaded up. I got some waters, I got my helmet, I got my bike in the background. Kevin is not gonna be there. He's actually going on vacation tomorrow, and he just got a little bit tied up today. So we're gonna head out. My buddy Aiden is hopefully gonna be there, or we're gonna have a solo session. Either way, it's me and you guys, we're gonna have fun, so let's head out. Feels super weird driving this road, one, without the tilt GDI, and two, because I used to drive this road every single day because of work for like 6 years. And look at this view right by my old work. This is absolutely insane. There's so many nice views around this whole area, and so many nice spots, you know, basically shoot cars and stuff like that. And yeah, these glasses, I don't know what they are, but I'm wearing them. But we're about to get to the skate park. A nice little skate park. Some of you guys who have subscribed for a while may have seen it, but I've been there a couple months, so we're about to be there. Hopefully Aiden's already there, and I'm not solo riding if somebody's there, but we're riding these back roads. Sad I'm not in the tilt GDI, but we're in the Mark 6, so cruising. 2 minutes into the session, destroyed it. Wasn't even on the bike. Let the bike go, held down the handlebars. Tire came down hard on the coping. And just like that, I don't want to talk about it. Aiden's on his way right now and he's bringing me a tube and a pump, so we are set. So I'm gonna take this off real quick and hopefully by the time he's here I have this off and it'll be like no issue, because this, no bueno. The man, the myth, the legend. Aiden, what do you got on right now? What do you got on? Ooh, my savior. My savior. He's got the tube. Thanks, Aiden. Look what I'm working with here. This is some ingenuity. Let me tell you, I haven't gotten a workout like this in years. On the table.
The dirt on this one is from when I was pressure washing my bike and scrub it up.
Pointed at it and I was like, do I do it? Do I do it? I was like, oh, that's a bad idea. Guys, I'm heading out of the skate park. Big Aiden and I were partaking in a little bit of a, oof. That was done. Peace out, Aiden. It was great seeing you, bud. Alright guys, well I'm back home and that's going to be a wrap on today's video. Today's video was a little bit sporadic. Didn't really know what was going on, but we got that Fender looking good on the tilted TDI. And I also ordered some parts for the control arm, so this car should be up and running within about a week. And I'm super excited for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the skate park clips and me fixing this Fender. But I enjoyed today. I got a lot of actual like real car content coming real soon, so hopefully you guys are excited for that. And make sure you guys are subscribed, hit your post notification bell, and follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI for that 20,000 subscriber giveaway with ECS tuning. And comment down below what kind of cars you guys are working on. A lot of you guys usually tend to comment back, and I love seeing that. You guys are building some really cool cars, and man, just keep smiling. Don't anyone put you down. Keep loving your build, and you guys honestly are amazing. You guys keep eating up the content, and you're loving it. So I really enjoy making the content for you. So we're gonna keep it going and come back for more. So peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.